Hi, so today we're going to look at how you're going to stop saying very good or very, very good and very bad, and instead I'm going to teach you 7 top phrases and words and collocations that you can use instead. So let's go. So the first word is a wonderful opportunity. In fact, it's 2 words. Wonderful opportunity. Wonderful is great, fantastic, excellent, and an opportunity is it's a chance to do something that has a very positive ending or a very positive attraction for you, such as getting a new job with a pay rise, or move into a new house which is cheaper and closer to your place of work. So let's see, how can we use wonderful opportunity in a phrase or sentence? I think you will find that this is a wonderful opportunity. Golden opportunity, another really useful and very much used phrase. Golden is obviously wonderful because it relates to something that's precious. Gold, like jewelry, is precious. So a golden opportunity is an opportunity that is very, very good. Something that may only come around once or twice in your lifetime. So let's look at this in an example. Getting a job at the BBC in London is a golden opportunity. Who knows where it could take you? Excellent or sound advice. Now, sound, people think, is just the music or the different sounds that we can hear with our ears. This is true, but in this example, sound is being used as an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. So let's look at an example. Thank you for your time in responding to my email. You have given me some excellent advice. Or, you have given me some sound advice. Excellent advice would be more formal. Sound advice would be more of a less formal phrase that you would use with friends and family. Resounding success. What does resounding success mean? Well, success means that you have achieved something, but resounding success means you have achieved something enormous. Resounding is enormous, big, huge. Let's look at this in an example. As a company, we have been working very hard in improving our customer services. As a result, we have had resounding success and our customer base has multiplied.